Banana Fetish, trying out this yellow themed palette. Is Jeffree Star's latest worth your money? Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. And hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. On this channel, we cover everything from makeup to skincare to fashion to travel, anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, today, I'll give you my full take on the Banana Fetish palette. I'm going to show you 2 different looks I created and just let you know overall if I think it's worth buying. So stay tuned. Well, good morning, beautiful people. Today is my first day digging into this Banana Fetish palette. These are the colors. And today I'm basically going to create a look using all of these yellows. Well, not all of them, but using the yellows and the shimmers. And then tomorrow I'm going to do a more colorful look using some of these accent colors. But I'm going to start off today. And I'm using this cream pie right here as sort of my base color. And I'm just going to gently take, this is the brush I'm using. Okay, that's cream pie. Next, I've got my little liner brush, and I'm going to go in with Don't Choke, this brown, and just line along my lash line. Now take the same brush, but I'm going with the slightly lighter brown, this Sunty Service, and just do a little along the lower lash line. There we go. Now I'm going to get some accent colors. So I'm taking this Hammock, which is a sort of mustardy yellow, and I'm using this little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go in along the outer edges towards the center with this. Again, this is Hammock right here. It's sort of a mustard color. And now it's time to get some shine. So for that, I really like this Vitamin P. It's a nice yellow gold shimmer. And I'm going to do a little bit of that all over my eyelid. It's really a pretty yellow gold. My final step here today, I'm going in with this G-Spot, which is a very light, almost a platinum gold, with a little bit of a yellow hint, and going along and slightly above the crease line, and just to give it a little more shine. And I think to do a little more definition, let's take this little flat brush and take this bright Banana Fetish color. I don't think I've ever had a banana quite that yellow, but, and go just sort of into the crease, just swishing it along the crease. And this just sort of gives a little bit of depth by using that brighter color right in the crease. So there we go. We just have a nice, shiny, yellow gold look. I'm going to go off camera and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, the mascara's done. This is my Banana Fetish look for today. Just lots of yellows and shimmers. And tomorrow, I'm going to utilize this pink and this blue and this bolder yellow and just come up with a very colorful look. And while this doesn't have the big fancy packaging of, say, I don't know, Bloodlust, It's just a nice little compact, bright yellow box with a nice mirror inside. It's good to fit into your travel case if you're going away for the weekend. So yes, I'm really liking Banana Fetish. Well, today is my second day of using the Banana Fetish palette, and I'm going to play with a little more color. Again, these are the shades, and I'm going to start off just by putting just the tip, which is a soft yellow, right here on the base of my eyelid. I'm going to extend this up into the crease. Next, I'm taking my liner brush, and I'm going to use this pounding cake, this sort of very rich brown. And go along the upper lash line. Liner brush, and I'm going to use this blue bulge and take that along the lower lash line. And just taking a small flat brush, and again going with this blue bulge, and just make a line right down sort of the center of my eyelid. See, there we go. And now I'm taking this longer blending brush, and I'm going in with Pinky Ring. And starting at the very corner of my eye, working toward the blue and up into the crease. All right. Yeah, that's pretty colorful, a little bit of a rainbow effect. So I'm going back in with this small flat brush, and I'm going with this bright Banana Fetish, and start the inner corner in to where the blue take the other side of this brush, and I'm using this little star split, this shimmery silver, and just push that right in the corner here. Okay, so this is sort of like a little rainbow look. If I were going out to, I don't know, a costume party or Pride Fest, I'd put on some lashes and go with it. Since my plans are more normal stuff today, I'll show you an easy way to tone it down a little bit. Just take a big fluffy brush and a little bit of this vitamin P, and just go over everything with that and sort of soften it, blend it together a bit. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and put on my mascara, and I'll be right back. So this is my look for today. It's still pretty colorful. By putting a little bit of the gold shimmer, it toned it down a bit. But yeah, this shows the different colors that you can do using this Banana Fetish palette. And if you want the colors to be even bolder, what you can do is just dampen your brush before using them. I didn't want them too bold today, but this gives you so many options with all of the different shades of yellow, the shimmers, the blue, the pink, the browns. You can go anything from nude to smoky to bright yellow to colorful. And of course you can get some beautiful shimmers in this. So yeah, this I think is a really awesome palette. I think Jeffree listened to people when we said we'd like some accent colors, you know, with our color theme palettes. And I really love this palette. I think this is going to be one I pull from a lot. Well, that's it for today. If you like this video, could you please give us a thumbs up? Also, do you have a favorite palette or a favorite influencer or anything that you'd like to let me know about If so, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.